Hey there, space enthusiasts. Ever wondered how the weather in space affects us here on Earth? Buckle up, because today I'm diving into the fascinating world of space weather and why you should absolutely care about it. So, what is space weather? It's the term used to describe the conditions in space caused by the sun's activity. Think solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and cosmic rays. Sounds intense, right? But how does it impact us? First off, let's talk about satellites. Those trusty gadgets orbiting our planet are crucial for GPS communications and even weather forecasting. A strong solar storm can disrupt satellite operations, causing GPS errors and communication blackouts. Imagine losing your GPS signal while driving. Not fun. Next, consider astronauts on the International Space Station. They're exposed to higher levels of radiation during intense solar events. Space agencies monitor space weather closely to keep our spacefarers safe. Cool, right? And it's not just out there in space. Space weather can affect power grids here on Earth. Massive solar storms can induce electric currents in power lines, leading to blackouts. That's a pretty solid reason to care, huh? So what can we do about it? Scientists constantly monitor the sun's activity using satellites and ground-based observatories. This helps predict space weather events and mitigate their impacts. Isn't it amazing how interconnected we are with the cosmos? Understanding space weather isn't just for scientists, it's something we should all be aware of. If you found this video enlightening, hit that subscribe button for more cosmic adventures. Stay curious, my friends, and keep looking up. Thanks for watching.